Come on, test your biology power for NEET by a quick crash revision. 1. Which of the following is the functional unit of kidney? A. Neuron. B. Nephron. C. Alveoli. D. Glomerulus. Answer: B. Nephron. 2. In photosynthesis, the primary electron acceptor is A. NADP+, B. Chlorophyll A, C. Pheophytin, D. Cytochrome. Answer: C. Pheophytin. 3. Which part of the brain controls body temperature and hunger? A. Cerebrum. B. Hypothalamus. C. Medulla. D. Cerebellum. Answer: B. Hypothalamus. 4. DNA replication is semi-conservative as proved by A. Watson and Crick. B. Hershey and Chase. C. Meselson and Stahl. D. Griffith. Answer: C. Meselson and Stahl. 5. Which hormone is responsible for cell elongation in plants? A. Cytokinin. B. Auxin. C. Ethylene. D. Abscisic acid. Answer: B. Auxin. 6. The pacemaker of heart is A. AV node. B. SAW node. C. Bundle of His. D. Purkinje fibers. Answer is B. SAW node. 7. Which nitrogenous base is not present in RNA? A. Adenine. B. Guanine. C. Thymine. D. Cytosine. Answer is C. Thymine. Which cycle involves fixation of atmospheric nitrogen? A. Carbon cycle. B. Nitrogen cycle. C. Phosphorus cycle. D. Water cycle. Answer is B. Nitrogen cycle. 9. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. D. Golgi body. Answer is C. Mitochondria. 10. During glycolysis, glucose is converted into A. Acetyl-CoA. B. Pyruvate. C. Lactate. D. Ethanol. Answer is B. Pyruvate. 11. Which phase of mitosis is characterized by alignment of chromosomes at the equatorial plate? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer is B. Metaphase. 12. Opening and closing of stomata is regulated by A. Guard cells. B. Epidermal cells. C. Mesophyll cells. D. Xylem. Answer is A. Guard cells. 13. The largest endocrine gland in the human body is A. Pituitary. B. Thyroid. C. Adrenal. D. Pancreas. Answer is B. Thyroid. 14. Which enzyme is responsible for unwinding of DNA during replication? A. Ligase. B. Polymerase. C. Helicase. D. Primase. Answer is C. Helicase. 15. The C4 pathway is an adaptation to A. Low light intensity. B. High oxygen concentration. C. High temperature and light. D. Water abundance. Answer is C. High temperature and light. 16. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from lungs to heart? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Aorta. D. Vena cava. Answer is B. Pulmonary vein. 17. A codon consists of A. 2 nucleotides. B. 3 nucleotides. C. 4 nucleotides. D. 1 nucleotide. Answer is B. 3 nucleotides. 18. Which of the following is a primary consumer? A. Lion. B. Grasshopper. C. Snake. D. Eagle. Answer is B. Grasshopper. 19. Which cell organelle is involved in modification and packaging of proteins? A. Ribosome. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Lysosome. Answer: C. Golgi apparatus. 20. The end product of Krebs cycle includes A. Glucose. B. Pyruvate. C. Carbon dioxide and ATP. D. Lactic acid. Answer is C. CO2 and ATP. 21. Which structure is responsible for filtration of blood in the nephron? A. loop of Henle. B. Collecting duct. C. Glomerulus. D. Distal tubule. Answer is C. Glomerulus. 22. Which pigment is directly involved in photosynthesis? A. Chlorophyll A. B. Chlorophyll B. C. Carotene. D. Xanthophyll. Answer is A. Chlorophyll A. 23. Which part of the neuron conducts impulses away from the cell body? A. Dendrite. B. Nucleus. C. Cyton. D. Axon. Answer is D. Axon. 24. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin K. Answer is D. Vitamin K. 25. The process of formation of gametes is called A. Fertilization. B. Organogenesis. C. Embryogenesis. D. Gametogenesis. Answer is D. Gametogenesis. 26. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer is B. Oxygen. 27. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? A. Thyroxine. B. Adrenaline. C. Insulin. D. Estrogen. Answer is C. Insulin. 28. Which kingdom includes unicellular eukaryotes? A. Monera. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Plantae. Answer is B. Protista. 29. Which enzyme converts starch into maltose? A. Pepsin. B. Trypsin. C. Amylase. D. Lipase. Answer is C. Amylase. 30. Which phase of meiosis involves crossing over? A. Prophase I. B. Metaphase I. C. Anaphase I. D. Telophase I. Answer is A. Prophase I. 31. Which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering? A. Retina. B. Iris. C. Cornea. D. Lens. Answer is B. Iris. 32. Which biomolecule is the main component of cell membrane? A. Protein. B. Carbohydrate. C. Lipid. D. Nucleic acid. Answer is C. Lipid. 33. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? A. RBC. B. Platelets. C. WBC. D. Plasma. Answer is C. WBC. 34. Which process involves movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane? A. Osmosis. B. Active transport. C. Diffusion. D. Facilitated diffusion. Answer is A. Osmosis. 35. Which organ stores bile in humans? A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Pancreas. D. Kidney. Answer is B. Gallbladder. 36. Which molecule carries genetic information? A. Protein. B. Lipid. C. ATP. D. DNA. Answer is D. DNA. 37. Which part of the plant conducts water? A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Cortex. D. Epidermis. Answer is B. Xylem. 38. Which stage of cell cycle is known as the resting phase? A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. Interphase. Answer is D. Interphase. 39. Which hormone is known as the stress hormone? A. Cortisol. B. Insulin. C. Thyroxine. D. Progesterone. Answer is A. Cortisol. 40. Which structure is called the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Lysosome. D. Mitochondria. Answer is D. Mitochondria. 41. Which part of the brain is responsible for balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla. D. Hypothalamus. Answer is B. Cerebellum. 42. Which element is essential for the formation of chlorophyll? A. Magnesium. B. Iron. C. Calcium. D. Potassium. Answer is A. Magnesium. 43. Which type of RNA carries amino acids to the ribosome? A. mRNA. B. rRNA. C. tRNA. D. snRNA. Answer is C. tRNA. 44. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxification in humans? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Lungs. D. Heart. Answer is B. Liver. 45. Which process produces two identical daughter cells? A. Meiosis. B. Binary fission. C. Mitosis. D. Budding. Answer is C. Mitosis. 46. Which plant hormone promotes fruit ripening? A. Ethylene. B. Gibberellin. C. Auxin. D. Cytokinin. Answer is A. Ethylene. 47. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A. B. B. C. AB. D. O. Answer is D. O. 48. Which organelle contains digestive enzymes? A. Ribosome. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Lysosome. D. Mitochondria. Answer is C. Lysosome. 49. Which structure connects muscle to bone? A. Ligament. B. Tendon. C. Cartilage. D. Joint. Answer is B. Tendon. 50. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer is C. Nitrogen.